First of all, the movie was very amazing. It was very funny. We all laughed like anything. I could see a very positive response from all the audience, especially. And one thing is that my mom was very desperate that she needed to put this movie over here, and that has finally become successful. And I'm happy for that. I'm happy for her actually. And I also thank Saint Anthony. Also thank God. And also I also thank Ryan Magneto. This film was amazing. It was over the sky. So thank you so much, and we are hoping for new movies like that.
Yeah, like this only new movies we want to see. Yeah.
Thank you.
All the best for the team. Full team.
All the best, and let's hope we get more and more funny movies just like this. Thank you.